You're watching Teacher Marj Online Teaching.
Hello, children! For today's lesson, we are going to learn how to read a short story. Yes, we will read a short story. So listen carefully because I will read it first and then we will read it together. Are you ready to learn? That's great! Then, let's get started.
Listen carefully, children. I will read it first, and then I'll let you read right after me. The title of our story is Luna the Little Cat. Can you repeat after me? Luna the Little Cat. Your turn to read, children. Luna is a little cat. Your turn to read, children. She is gray and white. Your turn to read. She likes to play all day. Can you read it again? Luna jumps on the bed. Your turn to read, children. She rolls on the rug. Your turn to read, children. She runs after a red meow meow, says Luna. Your turn to read. I want some milk. Your turn to read. Mom gives Luna a bowl of milk. Your turn to read. Luna drinks it all. Your turn to read. Now, Luna is sleepy. Your turn to read. She curls up in her soft bed. Your turn to read, children. Good night, Luna, says Mom. Now it's your turn to read. Meow, says Luna. Now can you read it? She is fast asleep. Now it's your turn to read. Very good, children. This time, let's read it again. Luna, the little cat. Luna is a little cat. She is gray and white. She likes to play all day. Luna jumps on the bed. She rolls on the rug. She runs after a red ball. Meow, meow, says Luna. I want some milk. Mom gives Luna a bowl of milk. Luna drinks it all. Now, Luna is sleepy. She curls up in her soft bed. Good night, Luna, says Mom. Meow, says Luna. She is fast asleep.
You did a great job, kids! Thank you so much for joining me in today's lesson. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us to our Facebook page, Teacher Marj Online Teaching. Until our next class, I'll see you again. Bye!
Hey kids! You're watching Teacher Marj Online Teaching.